Hi there mga beloved kong soulmates! Welcome to Renzo Tarot Channel. Dito lang po yung lingkod para bigyan kayo ng isang soulful and meaningful tarot reading. Dito lang po sa inyo lagi naabangan sinusubaybayan na Renzo Tarot Channel. Mega shoutout po sa lahat natin sa soulmates sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo na lagi nanonood at nagbibigay ng nakakataba sa puso na komento at suporta. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Ang ating pong reading ay napagsasamahan ay reading po para sa buwan ng March 2026 para sa ating mga pinakamahal na sa sign ng Aquarius. Sulitin ko, this is for you, Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. So, kamusta po kayong lahat? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're healthy, you're safe, and of course, you're happy. Kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel, huwag po kayo mahiyong mag-comment, like, share, and of course, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much po sa lahat ng nag-avail ng ating personal reading. Medyo na-busy po tayo naman itong nakaraang araw. Ang dami pong nagpa-personal reading. And thank you so much po sa tiwala at suporta. Sige, last shuffle natin, Aquarius, for your March 2026 reading. Huwag natin pang patagalin pa ito. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, 10 cards please for Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. Okay? Takes what only resonates po. Ha? Kapag di po kayo naka-resonate, ay hanapin niyo po ang iyong energy sa ibang videos natin or sa ibang readers dito sa YouTube. Also, cross-watchers are also welcome to watch po. So, maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala sa suporta. Ulitin ko po, kung wala po kayo ay wala po ang success ng Renzo Tarot Channel ngayon. Alam niyo yan, simula noon hanggang ngayon ay hindi niyo po ko iniiwan. Saan man makarating ang Renzo Tarot Channel ay utang na loob ko po ito sa inyong lahat. Okay? So, last two cards, Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, your 10 cards. Aquarius are now complete. Huwag na natin patagalin pa ito. Because I know that you're so excited and you're ready to find out ano bang mga ganap at ano bang mga dapat asahan ngayong buwan ng March 2026. Okay? Let's begin, Aquarius, with the Queen of Swords. So this is a beautiful card for me because I can see here mga Aquarius March 2026. You're fearless. You are now a fearless kind of Aquarius sa darating na buwan ng March. It's like no apologies at all. Hindi na kayo magpapakontrol. No more manipulation, no more dramas, no more abuse for you. So I can see here Aquarius na puno ng tapang, puno ng pag-asa, independent kind of Aquarius, okay? So you're going to do everything on your own. So di kayo magpapakontrol sa iba. I can see here. So this is it's like a commanding position. You will be leading a group also. It's like, you will be moving forward. So this is a very good, the energy that I can feel here sa March 2026 Aquarius is all about also movement. Okay? So this is a very beautiful opening card for you. I can see here, andito naman si Six of Cups. I really love this card. You know what? Kasi Aquarius, to tell you, di ba pag cups not only signifies victory or success, but I can feel her na you will be blessed. Okay, you will gain the victory. Not only hindi ka lang mananalo, hindi ka lang mabibless, hindi ka lang makaka-receive ng blessings, but it will overflow. Ito yung gusto kong part dito yung makakapag-share ka pa ng blessings mo. Kasi kung yung blessing ay, may mga tao kasi kapag binibless, syempre di man natin sila masisisi kung sakto lang, okay? But this is a big blessing to the point that it will overflow. I-share nyo pa ito sa iba. You will make other people happy. Parang may madudugtungan kayong buhay, or maybe it's like, for example, maybe nasa bingit ng kamatayan, nasa hospital, may sakit, and nagbigay kayo. Even though it's not a big amount, but it is a big help, okay? Sabihin, at least, kumbaga, you extend, and that is a big factor para i-bless kayo ng universe. Kasi imagine mo, malay mo yung pera pala na yun na kahit maliit na amount ay nakapag-extend ng buhay ng isang tao. So Aquarius, you have a very good heart. So this is the energy that I can feel here. March 2026, you have a blessing that is coming in your way, and it will overflow to the point that you are going to share it with others. Okay, Aquarius? Very beautiful soul, Aquarius. I can see her. 10 of Wands. This is not surprising at all. So, hindi na to bago sa mga Aquarius. March 2026, actually ngayon, kahit nitong past weeks, ngayon, bukas, and expect March 2026 to be overwhelming for you. In terms of responsibilities, pasan mo ang daigdig, ikaw umaako ng lahat ng responsibilities, mga anak mo, mga kapatid mo, nanay, tatay mo, sa trabaho, to the point that you are questioning your worth. Ano ba? Bakit puro na lang ako? Bakit sa akin na lang lahat inaasa? Ulitin ko, Aquarius, di ba sinabi ko to sa inyo noon pa, just consider mo na lang, tingnan mo na lang yung bright side nitong lahat na to. At least blessed ka. Kahit pa paano, ikaw yung pinagkakatiwalaan. Okay, although nakakapagod siya, overwhelming siya, but you should think of kung anong balik nito. Isipin mo kung ano ang mas magandang kapalit nito na ibibigay ng universe sa'yo. Okay? So, and of course, it will help you also to be more independent, to be more matured. Okay? Although, tumanda man ng mas maagang isip at katawan mo dahil sa responsibilities, but the reward that is, kumbaga yung reward na kapalit nito na ibibigay ng universe ang dapat mong focusan. March 2026, mabibisi ka sa napakaraming obligasyon, hindi lang sa sarili mo, pati na sa family members, sa trabaho, to the community. So, parang ayan, pasan mo ang daigdig. That's the term. Ako mulat ng responsibilities. Oh, this is a very beautiful card. Pang-apat mong baraha, expect sa March 2026, a new opportunity will be opening for you with this world card. Siguro matagal mo nang pinag-pray ito, minanifest ito. So comes March 2026, Aquarius, gagaan naman ang buhay mo. At least there will be a big improvement in your life. Unlike these past weeks, past days ahead na puro stress, puro problema, to the point that you are at the edge of giving up. I'm telling you, Aquarius, do not give up and look, the clouds are now disappearing for you, and this world card signifies that this coming March 2026 there will be a new door of opportunity, of blessing, of big break that will be opening for your life, Aquarius. I-claim mo ito, makigulat ka. Hindi lang to basta pinalala, hindi lang to yung prenay mo, mas malaki pa, sobra pa ang darating sa iyo. Okay? So, sorry. Panglima mong bara, Aquarius, is, ayan, money, swerte sa pera, stability. So, expect sa March 2026 na magaan ang pasok at kahit paano ma-stabilize na ang kaperahan. Kung itong February, January parang makalat pa, magulo pa, parang hindi mo makontrol ang paglabas-pasok ng pera kasi ang daming bayarin, ang daming dapat i-settle. But comes March 2026, it will stabilize. Tingnan mo yung nasa ulo mo pera, yung hawak mo pera, yung tinatapakan mong pera. So, it means there's a lot of offers, there's a lot of opportunities na may kinalaman sa pera na magbubukas para sa iyo, na makakatulong sa iyo. Pera talagang pinoproblema mo. Of course, lahat tayo pera ang problema. But Aquarius, cheer up because in terms of finances, there's a massive improvement for you sa darating na buwan ng March. Okay? So before I continue sa last 5 cards natin sa second row, ulitin ko, kapag nagustuhan nyo po or nakaresonate po kayo sa ating reading, huwag kayo mahiyang mag-comment, like, share, and of course, don't forget to subscribe our channel. At kapag sa TikTok nyo po ito napanood, mag-comment po kayo, repost, share our video, and of course, i-follow nyo po ako. Mag-DM po kayo kapag gusto nyo po mag-avail ng personal reading. Okay? So let's continue, Aquarius, for March 2026. I can see her 8 of Cups. Okay, what does it mean? Itong 8 of Cups na to signifies that Aquarius as a person, you are unstoppable. Walang nakakapigil sa inyo, hindi kayo nagpapapigil. You have a lot of dreams. Ang dami nyo pang gustong mapatunayan, ang dami nyo pang gustong mga pangarap na matupad. Okay, although you are blessed already with all of these cups at your back na naipon mo na, but still hindi kayo tumitigil for your life to improve. Hindi kayo makontento, hanggang dito na lang ako. Of course, that is a very good attitude, Aquarius. Okay? So, you comes March 2026, hindi talaga kayo titigil sa pag-isip ng iba pang mga ways, ng mga paraan, nang hindi kayo titigil sa paghahanap ng ibang opportunities. Okay? So, this is all about, kumbaga, pagsisave, pag-iipon for the future. So, Aquarius, that is a very good mindset that you have. So, King of Cups, tingnan mo, connect ang barahan natin. Dito, di ba sinabi ko kanina, may blessing na parating na to the point na mag-overflow, ito makakatulong kayo. So, kinonfirm siya, nakatapat ng barahan yung pampito. King of Cups, stability in terms of career goal. Sa trabaho, walang poproblemahin. Magtutuloy-tuloy. I can see here nga, parang promotion dito. If you're working on your promotion, nag-ayos kayo ng papers, it's like an approval or good news, something about may kinalaman sa trabaho. Or if you have applied for a job and you're waiting for a result, expect, Aquarius, ang magandang balita para sa iyo. Okay, this King of Cups not only signifies stability but also, good news, victory, success, good fortune for you, Aquarius. Grabe, wala ko nakikitang negative card dito. Walang swords na lumabas. So, pangwalo na yung baraha. ito, lumabas na siya, pero naka-reverse. Tingnan mo. Mo, sinabi ko pa lang may sword na lumabas. Kung ganito to, expect sa March na parang magiging stressful ang buhay mo. But, eto nag-reverse siya. So, expect a very smooth. Walang kahit paano ay kumbaga kayang kontrolin, manageable kind of month na meron sa March 2026. Okay? Although overwhelming siya kasi may mga ang daming responsibilities na dapat tapusin or dapat unahin. But dahil nag-reverse itong 8 of Swords, so manageable, very smooth ang lahat. You don't need to worry. So, hindi masyadong stressful itong buwan na ito para sa'yo. Okay? So, also, yung pang siyamong baraha is the King of Wands. So, ang daming, kanina King of Cups, King of Wands. So, itong world card, itong bagong opportunity na magbubukas para sa sa March 2026 will also lead to big transformation for you. Emotional maturity, also magta-transform ka hindi lang sa financial way but also holistic. Even yung personality mo malaki ang mai-improve. Magmamature ka sa pag-iisip mo, sa emotions mo, kaya mo na kontrolin lahat-lahat, hindi ka na basta mag-respond. So, sabihin, pag-iisipan mo na lahat mga salitang bibitawan mo, o hindi ka na basta-basta mag-react. So, it's all about maturity. Kasi world ito, sabihin, bago naman chapter, hindi mo na dadalhin yung mga paniniwala mo, yung mga ugali mo na pinapakita or na-apply mo with the past life that you have. Okay? So, expect transformation as a whole, Aquarius, sa March 2026. Tapusin natin itong March 2026 reading mo, Aquarius, with your 10th and last card that we have. Oh my God. Tatlong King. King of Cups, King of Wands, King of Pentacles. Yung King of Swords lang. So, what does it mean? Tingnan mo, connected na naman. Ano yung katapat niya? Di ba sabi ko hindi ka mo problema sa pera kasi King of Pentacles. As hari, may taga-supply, may magdadala sa'yo ng pera, kahit hindi ka gumalaw, kahit hindi ka kumilos. It means talagang abundance and prosperity March 2026. Tingnan mo, yung katapat niya. Yan, Four of Pentacles. Swerte. Sabihin, hindi ka mo problema. Magandang pasok talaga ng pera. So, nakita nyo, connect ang bara natin. Hindi to edited. So, shuffle ko ang lahat. So, this is just a reminder, Aquarius. Don't worry. Don't stress about money March 2026 kasi talagang may stability. You'll be sitting like a king. Parang may mga taga-utos, may inuutusan ka na lang, may mga taga-galaw ka na lang na magpapasok sa iyo ng pentacles or money. So this is a very beautiful, very cool, chill lang na reading na meron tayo ngayon. So expect a very smooth, a very stress-free, worry-free March 2026 para sa iyo. Relax lang. So I'm wishing you all the best, Aquarius. I hope and I pray na maraming nasa-sign Aquarius ang makaparad ito ngayon. Ulitin ko, kapag nagustuhan niyo po or nakaresonate po kayo sa ating reading ngayon, huwag po kayong mahiyang mag-comment, like, share. Of course, don't forget to subscribe our channel. And para sa ating mga TikTok viewers, kapag nagustuhan niyo po, huwag kayong mahiyang i-repost, i-share, and of course, like and follow our TikTok account. DM also, mag-message po kayo kapag gusto nyo mag-avail ng personal reading. Hanggang sa susunod dating pagkikita, maraming salamat mga soulmates kong Aquarius. Mag-iingat kayo lagi and God bless us all.